Kahapon sa Behind the Clash, napakinggan natin ang mga saloobin ng mga teen clashers sa nagdaang kolabo sa Sun kasama ang mga Clash alumni. Ngayong hapon, muli nating babalikan ang mga kaganapan sa naging tapatan ni Bian at Violet sa Matiraang Matibay round. Aalamin rin natin ang nilalaman ng damdamin ni Bian sa naging resulta ng kanilang tapatan. Lahat ng kwento ng mga kaganapan na yan, maririnig ninyo dito lang sa Behind the Clash.
Okay, kayong dalawa ang maghaharap sa Matiraang Matibay and between the two of you, isa lang ang makakatawid sa next round. So, ibigay nyo na ang inyong best. Don't hold back. Risk it all.
Sinong gustong mag-volunteer na mauna sa inyong dalawa? Meron ba? Pwede kung...
Okay, ladies first.
Okay, sige. Nice one.
Si
Ready
Violet
to fight.
po mauna. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Ito ang Matiraang Matibay. Violet versus Bian. Let the team clash.
Begin!
Well, the Matiraang Matibay round just finished and I was battling out with Bian. I feel very emotional. My piece was very emotional. As you can see, I'm still bawling my eyes out right now. The moment was very, very surreal and I feel very honored to be battling out with Bian because he's equally just as talented and he also delivered such an amazing and emotional piece. But whatever happens at the end, whoever gets picked, I know that God will pave a path for me, and whatever happens will be in God's will po. So, good luck po to Bian, and let's see what happens po.
Ayun, super blessed. Thank you Lord for the experience and the opportunities that happened to my life, and I think na-deliver ko naman yung mga performances ko na naayon sa gusto ko, and I hope na nagustuhan niya ng mga nanonood, lalo na yung mga Clash panels po.
Clash panel. Oras na po para magdesisyon between Violet and Bian. Sino po ang pasok sa next round?
Ang napili namin ay si... Violet.
Violet! Congratulations sa iyo. Pwede mo nang kunin ang pwesto mo sa top of the clash. But for now, thank you so much, Bien. You know, one of the things that I admire about you is your resilience. At talagang ipinaglaban mo ang pangarap mo hanggang dulo. Ramdam na ramdam namin yon. And I pray that you never lose that.
Thank you so much.
May gusto kang pasalamatan ng mga supporters mo.
Thank you so much po first of all kay God and sa family ko po. Thank you so much.
Palakpakan na si Bian, guys!
Violet.
Well, as you can see, I got so emotional. I clearly did not expect it at all. But if you're feeling emotional, make sure to compose yourself while you're singing.
Nung hindi siya na
nakuha nung una, hindi siya nanalo. Tumingin lang ako sa taas, like we always do, like, Lord, whatever your will be done. But I want to be also strong for her because that's my job, you know, to support her. I want to be, when she feels weak, I want to be someone she can lean on.
I guess after the performance, I couldn't hold it in anymore. And I just started bawling my eyes out. And then as soon as I saw Bien also cry when he got eliminated, I guess that's ultimately what broke me. So, you know, I feel very blessed and thankful to God that I'm still so emotional. But I'm just so thankful and so blessed, you know, and I'm really excited for how the next rounds will go. So let me go continue crying for a bit.
I tried my best. I gave my all. But I think God has a plan for me. Not just this, but nung nakita ko po yung family ko dun sa crowd, they're cheering for me po. Hindi ko na po mapigilang umalo kasi sila lang naman po yung laging sumusuporta sa akin kahit po hindi po nila ako kasama. And they always say na manalo matalo, we're still proud of you. And ayun po yung pinangahawakan ko ngayon. And I know naman po na every time na meron akong laban, super proud po sila sa akin. And I will continue to make them proud. To Next Gen Power and Soundwave Squad, as your kuya, I will continue to support you even if wala na ako dito sa competition. Always know na mahal na mahal ko kayo and I will always be here for you.
Brother, good job pa rin. Oo. Ito ka na, Ben?
9 po.
19 ka pa lang.
Still have so many
Kaya yan.
things.
Minsan nga masarap na yung ganito, bro, kasi makuha mo yun as experience eh. And then, marami ka nang pinanalo, after this, maisip mo na, di ba? Gamitin mo yun as motivation na drive pa rin. Kasi may ibig sabihin na talo ka dito, tapos na lahat eh. 19 ka pa lang, bro. 37 na ako. Pagdating mo 37, ano yung mga na-achieve mo? Come on, bro.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Ito ba? Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you so much po.
Yes.
Sa The Clash Teens po, thank you so much po sa panahon na I'm here.
Magre-reminisce ako ng mga nangyari. Nandito lang po ako sa gilid. Gaganto lang po ako dito. Ganyan lang po ako dito. Nag-iisip talaga.
I've learned a lot po, not just in singing. I've learned a lot sa buhay na kailangan kahit anong mangyari, you have to stand up. You have to fight. You have to fight for your dreams. And know that may mga taong sumusuporta at naniniwala sa iyo kahit anong mangyari.
Natapos man ang iyong The Clash Teens journey, sigurado kami na maraming opportunity pa ang naghihintay para sa iyo, Bien. Proud ang buong Clash family sa iyo. Speaking of, isa sa dapat mong ipagmalaki ay ang single mo na kabilang sa The Clash Teens Top 12 Original Album. Silipin nga natin ang mga nagnireaksyon nila noong araw na nag-record sila.
Isang challenge at sorpresa ang nakaabang sa iyo today.
Isa-isa kayong sasalang sa recording session.
Dahil ang The Clash Teens Top 12 ay magkakaroon ng album. Oh my gosh! Meaning, bawat isa sa inyo ay magre-record ng kanya-kanyang single or song. Oh my God!
That's amazing.
Very unbelievable po.
This is so exciting. Okay, ready po ako.
I'm so excited.
Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-stream Clash Nation sa original songs ng ating Top 12 Teen Clashers. Clash Nation, Patuloy nyo lang ipakita ang inyong pagmamahal sa mga Teen Clashers by streaming their songs and by voting for them as your favorite Teen Clasher. Huling gabi na ng kolabo sa Sun at handa na ang mga natitirang Teen Clashers kasama ang kanilang partner alumni para sa isang matinding tapatan. Sino ang mangingibabaw at sino ang uuwi? Sabay-sabay natin yan tutukan this Sunday, 7:15 p.m. sa Free TV at sa Kapuso Stream. Handa na rin ang The Clash Interactive Gang para sa isang masayang kwentuhan at kulitan pagsapit ng 7 p.m. sa The Clash Teens official YouTube and Facebook pages. This is your Clash Master Julian San Jose and this is Behind the Clash.